That was so funny, Bob. Show me what it is, sister! Like, what the hell?
Is he like Latino?
I think he's Mexican.
Oh. He is pretty hilarious.
Gear up, flaps up.
Okay, I'm gonna do downwind, so from the right over the runway. Woo!
Oh, that was cool.
I saw it.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I think the Sky Sword might look pretty cool in this light too.
Dude, this is crazy. How this jet just like...
Okay, I'm doing another pass from the right.
Alright.
Fast and low. Woo! Like that. Okay, another downwind. Whatever wind there is. There's not much of it. Very close this time.
Remaining 1 minute.
Woo! Love that sound that thing makes.
Time remaining 48 seconds.
This is cool.
30 seconds.
Alright,
Gear down.
coming in. Battery does not sound happy.
Landing flaps 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
I
5,
love that light.
4, 3, 2,
No.
1. Time expired.
It's because it's been sitting on its wheels.
What?
It's been sitting on its wheels that flat spotted them.
Flaps
So it's
up.
like, it buzzes. Sounds like a damn motorcycle. Yeah, they're foam, so it's just been sitting. I almost want to fly this plane again. No, I gotta fly the A-10. Do you have a pack for that or no? Because the A-10 I've got to pull apart while I can see it. Okay, Frank, how much battery do you have?
Not much.
Okay. Because I was going to say you need to do it inverted.